Right, hey guys, so you're seeing two videos with me wearing the exact same thing. That's just because I filmed both videos at the same day. I'm not being grotty, I just want to get these done. So today we got Witch Casket. As you saw on my earlier video, I've also had my pajama subscription box. Again, it'll be the video just below mine if you want to click and have a look at that one. But today is Witch Casket, which is my other absolute favourite box. And this month was of magic, and it just says here. First item, Witch Casket Moon Magic May 2020. So it's just a little booklet. It says to you about, God, a lot of information in there actually. It's all about just moon magic and how you can use the moon. Tells you everything that you get in the box as well. And gives you everything you need to know. So I'll have a look at that later on. I know it's something new that they're going to be doing. So we've got Tea Cake Art back, and that is absolutely gorgeous print. I'll pop Tea Cake Art's Instagram down below for you. She does some, well, I'm guessing it's she. I always say that. Does some gorgeous artwork. So there is that. And then we have a notepad. This is ritual notes on it. Quite a few pages in there as well, and the paper's quite thick, which is nice. So there's, what else? So we have a full moon ritual kit. Let's open that up and have a look. Oh, I can't open the bag. I think they're using a different type of sticker. I couldn't just rip the sticker then, so I have to rip the bag instead. So let's see what we get in this kit bag. So, full moon ritual spiritual peace. Let's have a look, what does it say? So we've got that there. Let's just see the items that we've got. So we've got what looks like lavender. Yep, so we've got some lavender. We've got, I'm not sure what that is. Let's have a look. So that, I'm guessing, is red clove flower. Also like dandelions, but red clove flower. And then we got what looks like a floating tea light. Yeah, so we've got a white floating tea light, lavender, red clove, and then it says you need a bowl of water, moon water is best, a pin or another sharp object. Take the white candle and etch into it with the pin anything you feel is blocking your path to spiritual peace. And then you just add all the bits in. I won't go too much into it, but there's the spell kit. That's a nice little kit. I'm not quite sure when the next full moon is though, so I probably should check. Let's see, there's still more in here. So we've got Moon Magic Pin. It's a really nice pin. So we've got the Moon Magic Pin there. I'm like really excitable today. Oh, we've got another Ancient Wisdom Pure Essential Oil. And this is the Energize Blend. Not sure what scents are in it though. Let's open it up and have a whiff. See if I can figure it out. Energize, my guess is going to be orangey, citrusy, peppermint, lemon, and frankincense oil. Oh, I do like a bit of peppermint. Give that a whiff. Whoa, you can definitely smell the peppermint. Oh, that smells so nice. It almost, almost reminds me of something. I can't think, well, that is nice. That is really nice oil. I've got a little charm bracelet that I can put that on, and I've also got one of the, what are they called? The bracelets that you can pop your essential oils on. Can't think what they're called. So what is that? Oh, so this is like a little, I'm guessing like a moon phase little bit. I'm actually going to refer to my guide, I think, for this one, because I'm not sure what it is. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, I think it's a moon phase display. It just says in here, this bewitching moon phase feature comes to on your altar to celebrate the power of the moon and its cycles. So that, I'm guessing that's what that is. But that's cool. I like that. Shout out to my daughter, she'll probably steal it off me. And there's still more in here. We got a pencil that says Moon Magic on it. Ooh! That I almost lost. I'm far too excited today. So it says Moon Magic on it. And what else? Got more. So we got a moon gazing hair statue. Have a look at this. Sounds interesting. Right, let's get him open. Oh, that's cute. So it says witch casket on the bottom. Then you've got your pentacle, and then you've got your little rabbit. So I'll just show you him. He is proper cute. I don't really see his face very well, but he is proper cute. Not quite sure where I'm going to put him, but I'll find somewhere, I think. It just says here, perfect way to represent growth, rebirth, and new beginnings and abundance in your magic space. So there's that. And then we got four more things left in here, sorry. So we've got some dragon moon leaf tea, full body black tea with notes of something. Let's have a open that, see what it looks like. I'm going to have a whiff. I have started to drink the teas now, and they're actually really good. So that's what it looks like, just plain black tea. All these bags that you see are all biodegradable. Have a whiff of it. Oh, it doesn't actually smell as much. I could to be a stronger smell. Smells good though. Doesn't smell like it'd be like too strong a tea. So I think that's probably a problem. Sometimes the teas in these boxes are a little bit too potent for me. But that actually smells quite nice. Then we've got 3 more items still. There's a lot in this box. So we've got a crystal, and it is guinea fowl jasper. Oh, never heard of this one. It's a big old chunk too. So there is the crystal. Oh, see, I got a glare from my window. But there is that. And what does it say about this? Can't get the card out. Oh, there we go. So it says, this beautiful stone is believed to protect against negative energies. A grounding stone, it can also be used to stabilise your own energy and aura. Guinea fowl jasper can aid relaxation and bring comfort and tranquility, a sense of calm and courage when needed. Ooh. Lovely sounded little stone. And that's going to be definitely a real nice meditation one, I think. Right. 2 more things left. So we've got witch casket moon magic bottle. Ooh. Let's have a look what this is then. This is a really good box. Oh. Oh, that is not. Oh god, I almost lost the box. That is nice. Mine's a bit scratched up. But it looks like these all been like hand done. This is going to be hard to show actually, isn't it? Can we maybe use the back of that? Ah, there we go. So it says moon water on there. So what you do, you pop your water in here, and then in the evening, pop it out, and then pick it back up before the sun rises. Also, supposed to be a cute drinking bottle, to be honest, as well. Because it does feel like it'd be quite secure. It's also made out of glass. I like that. We've got one last thing in here, which is the scroll, which, let's have a quick look at the scroll. I'm guessing it's going to be doing moon phases, so I'm really hyped up right now, so I'm going to have a proper look through everything and read through the little booklet, because this gives me all the information I need now. If you are interested in that, next box I will try and read it all. I'm trying to get this without ripping it, which is a lot harder than you think. And I don't know where my scissors are. Right, okay, right, got it open. So it just says moon water. How to make moon water and some uses for moon water. So there is that. So I've already said to you about how to make moon water. And just some of the uses, you can add the water to your tea or coffee. Make sure that it's bottled or filtered water, or just get out your tap like I always do. Add it to your plants when you water it. You can bathe in it, wash your crystals and altar tools in it. But it also says to make sure that your crystals can actually be put in water. Some of them are too delicate for that. Wash your hands with the water before casting spells or rituals. Add to potions and elixirs. Use you on your altar to represent the element of water. Create essential oil perfume, which is actually what I did last time. Create an aura cleansing spray. Use as a floor wash. Place a jar and a bowl of moon water on your altar to amplify its intensity. Use for facial steamers, and you can also cook with it. So there's like some of the things that they're saying on there. But this is a good box. So much stuff in it. So we get the scroll like we always do. We had the moon bottle water. We had the hair, the stone, the energizing blend. Oh, God. We had some tea. We had our pin. I'm running out of hand space already. I've still got things to pick up. We had the pencil. Stick that there. We had that little moon phase card. The spell kit. And also the notepad. And oh, we also had the TK art that's just fallen on the floor. But that was everything in this month's box. I can barely hold it all. I'm going to put it down before I drop it. This box is absolutely fantastic. The products that they're bringing are just absolutely phenomenal. I've especially loved this one. I cannot wait to use this. I might just drink out of it, to be honest. But that's everything in this month's box. I will pop their Instagram and I will also pop their website below as well. Oh, so I'm dropping things everywhere. I can't pick it up. But yeah, guys, I'll now go and I'm going to have a proper play with all this. I'm actually quite excited to go through this booklet. Like I said, this is the first time they've done the booklet and I'm pretty impressed. It's so nice. It's so much better than the card that they used to do because they explain everything inside here, which is really, really cool. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also check out their Instagram and also my Instagram if you're there too. See ya!